In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Sam's Club Cafe. To get started, head to your local Sam's Club and make sure that specific location has a cafe, since availability can vary by store. Once you're there, you can either order in person at the cafe counter or use the Sam's Club app for a more streamlined experience. If you're using the app, open it and sign in to your membership account first. This is important because cafe ordering through the app is tied to your Sam's Club membership. After you're signed in, tap on Scan and Go. From there, look for the cafe option and select it to open the cafe ordering section. Now you can browse the available menu items. Depending on the location, you may see options like pizza, hot dogs, pretzels, frozen yogurt, and drinks. Take a moment to look through the menu carefully so you can choose exactly what you want. If the item allows any changes, go ahead and customize your order before moving on. Not every menu item will have customization options, so just use them where available. Once you've added everything you want, review your cart. This is a good time to double check the items, quantities, and any customizations to make sure your order is correct before paying. When everything looks right, proceed to checkout and choose your preferred payment method. Next, complete your payment. If you're ordering through the app, you'll pay directly there. If you're ordering in person instead, you can simply pay at the cafe counter. After payment is finished, wait for your order confirmation. If you use the app, be sure to note your order number since you may need it when picking up your food. After that, head over to the cafe pickup area and wait for your order to be ready. Pickup times can vary depending on how busy the cafe is, so it helps to stay nearby and keep an eye on your app or listen for order updates if they are announced in store. When your order is ready, show your confirmation or provide your order number to the staff so they can hand over your food. At that point, you're all set and ready to enjoy your meal. That's the full process for ordering from Sam's Club Cafe, whether you prefer using the app or placing your order in person. Follow these steps carefully, and the experience should be quick, simple, and convenient.